Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the BONK update today. And I don't know um, if you're happy with what I've been doing for you, but I know I've been playing my role and I've done it pretty well. Told you so many times. The bank system, right? We are predicting that this is a left shoulder. We have a head here, and we just might have the right shoulder. And when you do have inverted and shoulder, take your entry. So few days ago, back in 12th of May or maybe 14th of May, I think it was 5 days ago when I was introducing you to the bank system and telling you that, hey, this does look like a pattern, the whole pattern. If you start to buy right now, you might just get lucky for this pattern to go to the upside, but your stop loss is going to be really, really down right over here, okay? So imagine buying up right over here. Even right now, you are almost like 20% up. That's $200 out of $1,000 that you're trading, and it doesn't still end there because our expectation is that we end up breaking above as well, come for the retest, and also move to the upside, right? So anyone who was doing entering using the bank system is pretty much getting that 99%, 100% move to the upside. Now let's say we never go up to the target. Let's say you just entered here. Let's say you're up here. You still have 22%. Let's say you just go up here, 43. Let's say you never really make it up there, but you actually just come up to 36.28. That's also 58%, and this is still a very big win. Even right now, it's still some sort of a big win. Speaking about entering BONK. And that's all for the video. Just a quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.